Hi, my name is Ryan, and I live in Ogden, Utah. My channel is Chihuahua Tricks. As you can probably tell by the name, it is a pet or dog themed channel. But it wasn't until recently that I discovered I actually like making and editing my own videos. But it all started one day when I was watching dog videos on YouTube. I came across a certain channel. Oliver the Beagle was its name. Now, I noticed that these videos were so simple and low quality, very basic, but the beagle, he was so cute that's what made the video worth watching. And it amazed me when I saw how many subscribers and viewers that this channel had. And so then I thought to myself, well, if Oliver could do it, then so can my dog. This is my dog, Chipotle. Look at you, the star and inspiration of my channel. Now, what makes my pet channel unlike any other? Well, for one, it has my dog Chipotle. He has a unique, one-of-a-kind name, named after my favorite hot sauce. And he's a very interesting Chihuahua. And he looks fascinating. And not only that, but I taught him a really interesting trick. A trick that is not out there on YouTube. Not many dog trainers have taught their dog this trick, but it's very one of a kind. I do not want to release it until later in the future.